Morning, dear students. Welcome back to online classes of social. Today we will discuss about assignment, that is your vacation homework. But before starting, let me inform you that our online classes will available in our school website till 10th June 2020. You can log in and study and revise from our website at any time, and this will assign your attendance for those days. So you must watch, study and get the attendance. One more thing, you must visit our school website regularly for updates. Now come to assignment. Till now we had studied 3 lessons of Unit 1, that is 1.1 the Northern Mountains, 1.2 the Northern Plains and 1.3 the Western Desert, and your assignment based on these lessons. Let's start with question number 1. In question number 1 you have 3 sub questions. So first one, locate the following on political map of India separately. Separately means each part you have to do in separate map. Like first one, country: Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Afghanistan. This you have to do in one map. Then second one is your river: the Ganga, the Satluj, the Indus, the Yamuna and the Brahmaputra. This you have to locate in another map. And the third one is range and desert: the Greater Himalayas, the Karakoram range, the Middle Himalayas, the Shivalik range and the Thar desert. This you have to do in separate one. And I have shown you during the class time all these places in map. Now come to the question number 2. Write the state's name and its capital and locate it on the political map of India. You have to write the state name and its capital, and both the state and its capital you have to locate it in the political map of India. This you have to do in separate map. So total 4 map you required. Now come to the question number 3. Name the following. Here so many definition I explained you during the classes time. If you watch the videos carefully, you will get the answer of these questions. So let me read out the questions. Question number 1. An area in a desert with water and greenery. Second one, shifting hills of sand found in the desert. Third, a small moving river of ice. Fourth one, the highest mountain range in the Himalayas. Fifth, canal provides water for irrigation in Thar desert. Sixth one, it forms a big wall along the northern borders of Himalayas. Seventh one, area of flat land shaped like a triangle. Eighth one, an elevated flat land at the top. Ninth, glaciers from which Ganga originates. 10th one, a flat area with sandy soil and very little rain and vegetation. Now come to the question number 4, multiple choice questions. In multiple choice question, 3 options will be given. You have to choose one correct options that you know. Then first one. The Great Indian Desert is also known as option A, Sahara Desert, option B, Thar Desert, option C, Atacama Desert. Second one. Mount Everest is located in which range of Himalayas? The Himadri, B, the Himachal, C, the Shivalik. Third one. The Brahmaputra river enters India through West Bengal, B, Assam, C, Arunachal Pradesh. Fourth one. Several smaller rivers that flows into the main river. A, tributaries, B, distributaries, C, delta. Fifth one, a narrow path in a range of mountains. Option A, valleys, B, passes, C, plateau. Sixth one, people moving from place to place with their animals are caravan, B, nomads, option C, Banjaras. Seventh one, the southern range of Himalayas is called Himachal, Himadri, Shivalik. Eighth, soil formed by Himalayan rivers are black, red, alluvial. Ninth one, Simla, Mussoorie are located in which range? The Himadri, the Himachal. Third one is the Shivalik. 10th one, the Yamuna joins the Ganga at option A, Patna, B, Allahabad, C, Varanasi. And all these activities you have to do in a single line copy of 100 pages. Even all the 4 maps you have to paste on this copy. And thank you for cooperating us during online classes.